The Lamborghini Urus has quickly become one of the automotive world's favorite luxury performance SUVs, combining Lamborghini's supercar engineering chops and high performance with its aggressive, futuristic design language and sumptuous luxury features. However, the latest variant to be added to the Lamborghini Urus lineup is the new Urus SE, a plug-in hybrid version of the celebrated super SUV that is also the most powerful variant of the Urus yet. Given the high-end nature of the vehicle, expect a price in the hundreds of thousands of dollars, potentially exceeding $2 million, similar to other ultra-luxury Mansory builds. The front end of the Mansory Venatus SE impresses with its carbon fiber front end, and the ultra-lightweight hood and exposed carbon fiber with additional cooling air outlets completes the front view in conjunction with the also redesigned front apron. The star-shaped design of the daytime running lights is particularly eye-catching. Mansory side skirts continue the design language on the sides, giving the Mansory Venatus SE a significantly stronger, yet lower and more elongated appearance. To reduce lift on the rear axle, Mansory engineers installed an attractive double spoiler at the rear. Both components of the spoiler are made entirely of carbon fiber and are located on both the tailgate and the roof. The roof spoiler itself is available in two versions, small and large. The rear apron and diffuser also skillfully showcase the three tailpipes of the sport's exhaust system. Numerous carbon components such as trim strips, mirror housings, and air intake covers add further striking, visually pleasing accents. As with all Mansory complete conversions, the interior can be freely chosen in terms of colors, quilting, and carbon fiber design. Countless additional details, such as the seat belts with the Mansory logo, Mansory Sports aluminum pedals, Mansory leather floor mats, specially designed ambient lighting in the headliner, a start button relocated to the headliner, and many other detailed solutions make the Mansory Venatus SE a unique automobile that masterfully implements every individual customer request, including the interior. The Mansory Venatus SE features massive 24-inch alloy wheels and a wheel tire combination in the XXL dimensions of 10 by 24 inches and 12.5 by 24 inches rims, with 295/30 or 24 and 355/25 or 24 tires, respectively. In the launch edition, these are combined with FC.5 rims. The ultralight forged will combine sportiness and technical elegance. The 7-spoke design of this rim type also allows for optimal ventilation of the braking system and underscores the vehicle's dynamics. Furthermore, both the front and rear wheel arches are filled harmoniously and powerfully. The already extremely powerful heart of the vehicle, a 4-liter V8 twin-turbo engine, has received numerous and far-reaching modifications by Mansory engineers. The Mansory Venatus SE features, among other things, a new engine management system and a large displacement sports exhaust system with a unique layout of 3 tailpipes and a high-performance catalytic converter. These modifications enable the Mansory Venatus SE to generate extremely impressive performance figures of up to 1,100 horsepower, series 800 horsepower, and increased torque to 1,250 Nm, series 950 Nm. Both performance figures are maximum values for specific markets. The corresponding performance figures: top speed 332 km/h, 0 to 100 km/h in 2.8 seconds.